As we age, we often hear people say things like, "Baas pehlai jaisi taqat nahi rahi." My legs just aren't what they used to be. I feel weak. I feel unsteady. Maybe it's just aging. But here's the truth I want you to remember today. Losing leg strength is not a natural part of aging. Weakness is not inevitable. And no matter your age, 60, 70, 80, even 90, your legs can become stronger, steadier, and more powerful than they have been in years. Research shows that seniors who maintain leg strength live longer, stay independent longer, and recover from illnesses faster. Not because of heavy gym workouts, not because of complicated machines, but because of simple, gentle exercises done consistently. Today, we're going through 10 of the most effective, science-backed leg exercises for seniors. Exercises that improve strength, balance, stability, mobility, and confidence. During this 50-minute video, we will go step by step, slowly and safely with full explanations, so you understand why each movement works, how to do it correctly, and what to avoid. You can do this entire routine. Checkmark at home. Checkmark. Without equipment. Checkmark. Even as a complete beginner, checkmark at your own pace. So take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and get ready to show your legs some love. Let's begin. Section 1. Why? Leg strength matters. After 70. Before we start exercising, let's understand why your legs are the key to healthy aging. After 70, your legs determine how safely you walk, how easily you climb stairs, how confidently you stand up from the bed or chair, how steady you stay on uneven floors, how independent you remain in daily life. Weak legs can cause more falls, slower recovery after illness, more knee and hip pain, trouble standing or walking, lower energy, more dependence on others. But when your legs are strong, your balance improves, your posture straightens, your walking speed increases, your energy levels go up, your joints stay healthier, and your confidence returns even better. Muscles respond at any age. Studies show that people in their 80s and 90s can double their leg strength in just a few weeks of consistent training. So no matter where you're starting, this routine will help you. Let's warm up first. Section 2, warm up. Slow, safe for seniors. Let's prepare the joints gently. Warm up exercise 1, ankle circles. Sit or stand. Lift one foot. Rotate your ankle 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Now switch sides. This improves circulation and reduces stiffness. Warm up exercise 2, knee lifts. Hold a chair, lift one knee gently, then lower. Alternate legs for 30 to 45 seconds. Great warm-up for hips and lower back. Warm-up exercise 3, hip rolls. Stand tall. Place hands on hips. Gently rotate your hips in a circular motion. This releases tension and improves mobility. Warm-up exercise 4, marching in place. Slow, gentle. Lift knees comfortably. Breathe normally. You're doing great. Now you're warm. Let's begin the main exercises. Section 3. The 10 exercises. Each exercise will be taught in detail with correct form, benefits, and safety notes. 1. Chair squats. The number 1 anti-aging leg. Sit on the edge of a chair, feet shoulder width apart. Lean forward slightly. Press through your heels and stand up slowly. Sit back down with control. Do 10 to 12 reps. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Why it's powerful. Strengthens thighs. Strengthens glutes. Improves balance. Makes getting up from bed, chair, or car easier. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not drop backward into the chair. Don't let knees collapse inward. If needed, use arm rests. Go slow. Your legs will thank you. 2. Heel raises, your anti-fall secret. Hold a counter or back of chair. Lift your heels up slowly, lower slowly. 12 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets. Why it works. Weak calves cause more falls than weak thighs. Strong calves equals stable walking. Safety tip, don't lean forward, stand tall. 3. Seated leg extensions. Gentle knee strengthener. Sit tall, extend one leg forward, hold 2 seconds. Lower, 12 reps each leg. Why it's great for seniors. Reduces knee pain, strengthens quadriceps, helps with sitting, standing, perfect for arthritis. 4. Side leg lifts. Improve walking and prevent falls. Hold a wall. Lift one leg out sideways, keep toes forward, lower with control, 10 to 15 reps each side. Benefits: strengthens hip stabilizers, improves walking, prevents sideways falls. Tip: keep movement slow. 5. Step-ups, simple stair training. Use a low step, step up. Bring other foot up, step down slowly, 8 to 12 reps each leg. Why it's important: stair strength equals independence. Safety note: hold railing if needed. 6. Wall. Sit, safe strength endurance. Slide down the wall, hold at a comfortable depth, keep knees above ankles, hold 10 to 20 seconds. Why it helps: builds strength without movement, perfect for knee sensitivity. 7. Seated marching. Hip strength plus cardio boost. Sit tall, lift one knee, then the other. 1 to 2 minutes. Why? Great warm-up and beginner exercise. Improves circulation and hip flexor strength. 8. Glute bridge. Fix lower body weakness. Lie on back, knees bent, lift hips slowly, squeeze glutes. Lower with control, 10 to 12 reps. Benefits: reduces lower back pain, strengthens hips, improves balance. 9. Standing balance. Hold, critical for fall prevention. Stand behind a chair. Lift one foot slightly, hold 10 to 30 seconds. Switch. Goal: reduce hand support over time. 10. Daily walking, your everyday leg workout. 4 minutes. Start with 5 to 10 minutes per day. Build to 20 to 30 minutes. Why walking matters: improves bone strength, strengthens all lower body muscles, boosts heart health, maintains mobility, even slow walking counts. Section 4, yes, cool down and stretching. We'll relax your muscles now. Stretch 1. Hamstring. Stretch sit. Extend one leg, reach gently. Hold 20 seconds. Stretch 2. Calf stretch. Hold wall, step back, heel down. Hold 20 seconds. Stretch 3. Quad stretch, optional. Hold chair, pull foot behind. Hold 15 to 20 seconds. Stretch 4. Deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Feel calmness through your body. You did it. 10 simple exercises that can protect your joints, rebuild strength, and keep you independent, no matter your age. Remember, you don't need heavy weights, you don't need a gym, you don't need to be young, you just need consistency. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can change how you walk, how you move, how you feel, how confident you are. If you want a free weekly workout plan, just comment "plan" below and I'll send it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, so more seniors can stay strong, active, and independent. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.